A rich sound design can vivify your video creation. When you give these sounds a different meaning, not only does it immerse the viewer more in the visual experience you present, it will also help you tell your story better. Hi everyone, this is Carol. Welcome to the official VideoProc Vlogger channel. In today's video, we will take you on a journey where you can feel in person the charms of different sounds and experience the various scenarios to apply different sounds. Let's get into today's video. When editing a video, if you want to create a silky transition without using any transition effect, you can try the Whoosh sound effect to create a feeling of transferring from one image to another smoothly. On top of that, the sound effect can also bring a more realistic deflation to the scene of a plane flying past. Or use it in the change of expressions or states of a person, which is also widely seen in video making. Hits is pretty classic in sound effect. When using it in the switching point of each clip to emphasize the transition, it could better attract the audience's attention. And when demonstrating some important plots, integrating the hit sound effect could also exert certain emphasis. And another common use is applying it when the credits appear at the end of the film. There are two common scenarios for riser. Here in this occasion, it can highlight the tension of the characters and create a sense of suspense. While in the other scene, with the tension in the screen gradually rising to an abrupt end. Well, feel the sensation of this sound effect. When you need to set a mood for suspense or anxiety, drone's effect is a decent option to go with. Comparatively speaking, using riser in your work is more like a horizontal addition, deeply dramatic feeling. While drones would be more like a vertical renderings. As the name implies, such a sound effect is often applied to moments with slow motions. After added with such effect, a slow motion video, well, like being given a special meaning, could see a stronger sense in its atmosphere. Surely, if given a little more imagination and creativity, you can also use it in combination with sound reverberation to create an ethereal feeling. Ambient Textures refers to that you add a sound that could match what is shown in the video image. It might be a sound of rain, or waves lapping, or striding in the snow, or the fireworks. The presence of these sounds could bring logic and realistic deflation to the image, and further indulge the audience with perceptual perfection. Atmosphere is a finishing touch. It could set a mood for the overall sound if using it under all the audio tracks added. When using a soft ambient sound, the film would produce such feeling. But when a horrific ambient sound is used, the result would be immediately different. Alright, this is the end of today's video. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. We will come back with more tutorials on sound design. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!